Can I just ask you, I mean, clearly conditions look very favourable for exchanges at the moment. Do you see those trends continuing through the rest of the year?
Well, some trends are going to continue for sure. The attractiveness of the equity markets vis-à-vis any other asset classes is going to remain, considering the continuous commitment of central banks to maintain interest rates low. The commitment of the retail investors to come back to the equity market is going to continue. And what we can observe already in the pipeline of IPOs across Europe is that we have a very strong listing momentum. So I'm confident that the key drivers of the performance for the first part of the year are going to be around to stay.
One of the phenomena that we witnessed during much of last year and coming into this year was obviously the SPAC route to backdoor listings. It was strong in the United States, less so for Europe. Do you see any mileage for the SPAC approach to coming to the market for your exchanges? I mean, there are, I think, some kind of regulatory challenges with this particular model, but obviously it's done a lot to generate flow in the United States.
Absolutely. Well, there is a big difference between the US market and the European market on SPACs. We do welcome on Euronext markets about 50% of all the SPACs listed in Europe. And it's pretty clear that the retail market in particular is not available to SPACs in Europe, at least at the initial stage of the IPO. The rules are different. The number of SPACs is more limited. There is no SPAC mania in Europe, but there is definitely a fundamental trend of high-quality sponsors raising money for SPACs. And we have on the front of SPAC, just as on the front of traditional IPOs, a very strong pipeline. So I believe it's going to continue, but not to the same extent as what we have observed in the US over the past few years for obvious differences in regulation. Even if some countries are adapting to relax some rules that were preventing the development of SPACs in a very dynamic manner.